Yeah, hi, and welcome to today's video. We're going to be talking cryptocurrency today, and we're going to be talking a new cryptocurrency called High Dollars. I'm going to tell you what High Dollars is, where you can go and get it, and how you can actually earn $200 worth of High Dollars just by using your WhatsApp app on your phone. So let's head over to the desktop and we'll run through exactly what High Dollars is and what you should be doing to go and earn free High Dollars every single day just with a few seconds work. Okay, so welcome to this video. As you can see, I've come across to a site called high.com, and as you can see here, High Dollars, a Bitcoin with benefits. Now, as you can see here, the High Dollars at the moment is in a beta test, and as you can see here, you can basically get High Dollars now, and you can actually buy them now if you want. But I'll show you at the end of this video exactly where you can go and claim your High Dollars account and also earn High Dollars every single day just with a few seconds on your WhatsApp app. Also, it can be used on things like Telegram and also Facebook Messenger. So like I say, stay tuned and I'll show you where to do that very shortly. But let's just go through and answer a few questions that you might have before we go and do that. So as you can see here, high.com has currently got just over 277,000 members, and the current price of the High Dollars is 0.2354 of a US dollar. Okay, now this has slowly raised as they've got more and more members. As you can see, when they started off down at 1,000 members, it was only priced at 0.2 of a dollar, so 2 cents. And as you can see, it's gradually gone up, and we're now, say, over 277,000 members. You can't actually trade High Dollars yet because it's not actually a currency yet, but it will be. So you can obviously go and get tokens and get the dollars ready, and then when you're able to go and trade or sell your dollars and that sort of thing, you will be able to do so. And again, I'll tell you more about that right at the very end. So let's go and answer some of your questions. So let's go across to the frequently asked questions. And there's loads of different things here. And as you can see, it says the High Platform services are currently in a private beta prior to launch. Launch is expected on or before August the 1st. Now, we are obviously in July now, so not long to wait on that. So it's a good chance to obviously join up now, and then you'll be ready for the launch, because you never know with these cryptocurrencies. Obviously, the price of the cryptocurrency does go up fairly high sometimes. You look at just what Bitcoin has done in the past and how that has gone absolutely skyrocketed. So could High Dollars do the same? Who knows? As you can say, with any investment like this, it could go up, it could go down. We really don't know. So it's a little bit of a waiting game on that. Okay, so we've come down to this question here. What are High Dollars? Okay, now as you can see, the High Dollar is a membership token and a cryptocurrency that you can use for accessing the services offered by High themselves. So members can earn or buy High Dollars, and then they can access the services and benefits based on their membership tier. So how do you get High Dollars? As you can see here, they've got a sort of a structure here. The first 25,000 members are going to receive 100 High Dollars each day, and this will then tail down as they get bigger. And as you can see here, over 250,000 members now, you're going to get 2.5 High Dollars per day. And then when they go over 1 million members, you're going to get 1 High Dollar per day. You can also earn by referring others as well. So what can you use these High Dollars for? As you can see here, it says it's a membership token. By earning and deposit in High Dollars long term, you're a member and thus entitled to the services that will be offered by High. Okay, so it basically gives you access to some of the benefits and things that they're actually going to do. So you've got here, so you've got the flexible savings and rewards. So these are some of the things here. So you've got a rewards account, which is what you can get this on a daily basis, and you can get high dollars now. So you can get that into your rewards account. The flexible is your money is truly mobile, convenient to send cryptocurrencies to friends via with our web application or one click of the chat channels. And the members, you have to undergo certain criteria to be able to do that, obviously. And you've also got a savings here, so you can earn interest on all your deposits. So the amount of high dollars locked in your savings account determines your membership tier, but also you'll get paid interest on your high dollars. You will also get up to 20% per year, so that is huge. So there are various other questions here that if you wanted to find out as well, I won't go into too much detail here. It's all on their website here, guys. So if we click on the About Us tab, as you can see, this goes into a little bit more details. As you can see here, they're going to give you great rates on your savings. So it's up to 20% per annum. There's going to be no fees or markups, instant transactions. So this is going to be taken in just milliseconds. So like I say, you can send money across chat platforms. You can also do multi-currency interest accounts. You can also earn rewards just by signing up, and so I'm going to show you that very shortly. And then you can exchange whenever and whatever. So you can obviously exchange currencies as well in time. As you can see, there's a message from a couple of the actual people that are involved in it. Okay, so there's a little message there. And as you can see, there are 4 people mainly that are involved in it. And as you can see, they've come from some really big crypto background. It's former CEO of Bitcoin.com, former SMO of Crypto.com. And there's a trader, crypto expert, and digital experience creator. So loads of different marketers with loads of experience. And this is their roadmap of how they're going to build the business. So you can obviously go and check out that as well. But how do you go and join? That's the thing. Well, obviously it's free to join. You don't have to pay anything to join. And all you have to do is you can either come to the .com where you can actually just enter the nickname of the referrer. You will need to have a referrer's nickname here to actually go and get an account. You can also do it on your mobile phone, which actually comes up inside. I've done it on my WhatsApp app. You can also do it via Telegram, and you can also do it via Facebook Messenger, plus a couple of other places as well. But you will need this nickname here. So if someone's actually already given you their nickname, and obviously just go and put that nickname into the box there and then submit. Okay, if you haven't come across this before and you think, yeah, I'm going to go and join, going to go and check out this, find out more about it, by all means put my referral, which is Martin Burt, all in small letters, and then just click submit. Then you'll be taken through, and it'll just prompt you to answer a few questions. And then every single day, all you've got to do, guys, is literally, if you do it via the app, all you've got to do is come in every single day. You just type in hi, and then that will actually bring up the menu. And as you can see, that's the menu there. And then all you do is click on claim daily reward, which is number 1. So you type in number 1. They'll ask you a question, and that's probably something like, what is your favorite crypto, or something similar. You just type in the number of the one that's corresponding, and boom, straight away you've got $2.50. Okay, so straight away you're going to get paid that reward that goes into your account, and then you can build that up over time. Now, there's a couple of things, obviously, on the downsides to this is obviously it's not in a full mode at the moment. It's still in beta, so there's obviously always that thing that it may not have actually come to fruition. So, the only thing you're going to lose by that is obviously a bit of time where you're actually just typing in every single day, but it literally takes a few seconds, guys, to do. And if you do that every single day, you could end up with quite a few of the high dollars by the end of the first 12 months. And that's another one of the drawbacks is you have to, any of the rewards, etc., they have to be held in for 12 months before you can actually start exchanging them or sell them or anything like that. But again, I think that's quite a good thing because it basically means that that should hopefully mean that the price will be going up all the time you are waiting. So not only are you still creating and getting more dollars every single month, the price of those will probably go up slightly as well. So then when you do come to obviously trade them or exchange them or whatever you want to do with them, then you should actually make more money. And if you do this every single day in your WhatsApp, like I say in the title, you could end up by actually $200 worth of the high dollars by the time your 12 months is up. And that's purely and simply by literally a few seconds a day. And you could obviously earn more money as well, because you can earn money by referring friends and family as well. And then you'll get a certain percentage of what they are earning as well. So again, that means that your pot of high dollars can then grow exponentially, basically. So all I would do is go and check it out. Like I say, it's fairly new. It's new to me. I'll probably do an update on this video at some point as I go further down the line, but I'm only a couple of days into it. But I can see the benefits of it, and obviously I can also see the possibilities of how it could grow very, very quickly as people get more and more into it. So certainly check out the thing. Use my link in the description below, and that will use me as your referrer. And then if you've got any questions, obviously check them in, put them in the comments below. Okay, well, I hope you found that interesting and useful. If you did, obviously smash up the like button below. Obviously remember to drop any comments below. If you've already joined High Dollars and you've got some feedback for us, that would be great. Whether you're actually going to join High Dollars or not, I'm going to test it out. Also remember, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel right now, hit the notification bell and you'll get notified every time we make new videos. Don't forget to watch this video next, and we will see you on the next video.